Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of vacuum storage with the best solution for organizing your clothes and bedding. The Vacuum Storage Bags, 10 Jumbo Space Saver Bags by Roomimaster. These bags are designed to maximize your storage space and keep your belongings safe from dust, dirt, and moisture. Let's start by exploring what makes these vacuum storage bags stand out. They come in a pack of 10 jumbo-sized bags, each measuring 100 by 70 centimeters. Perfect for storing large items like comforters, blankets, and bulky clothing. First off, the material. These bags are made from a durable PA plus PE combination, ensuring they're tear-resistant and reusable. They feature a double zip seal and a triple seal turbo valve for efficient air expulsion, making the vacuum sealing process quick and effective. Using these bags, you can reduce the original volume of your items by up to 80%, which is fantastic for saving space in your closets or when traveling. The airtight and watertight seal also protects your belongings from moisture and pests. Now, let's talk about how easy it is to use these bags. Simply insert your items into the bag, seal the double zip, and use any standard vacuum cleaner to remove the air through the turbo valve. The package even includes a portable hand pump for use on the go. These bags are not just for home use, they're great for travel too. You can pack them in a suitcase or carry them separately, thanks to their flexible design. They're ideal for seasonal clothing storage, moving homes, or organizing your closet efficiently. Compared to traditional storage methods like bins or boxes, these vacuum storage bags offer superior space-saving capabilities. They're also more flexible in terms of where you can store them and how much space they take up. While we don't rely on customer reviews, it's worth noting that these bags are highly rated on Amazon, with users praising their durability, ease of use, and effectiveness in maximizing storage space. To wrap it up, if you're looking for the best vacuum sealer bags for clothes and bedding, the Vacuum Storage Bags by Roomimaster are a top choice. They combine durability, ease of use, and excellent storage efficiency, making them a must-have for any organized home or traveler. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more detailed product reviews like this one. Thanks for watching Product Critique.